everyone. I'm Koala Teacher from One English Academy, here to help with your homework. It's going to be fun. You'll see. If we go too fast, don't worry. Just hit pause. Take your time and catch up. It's all because if you hold on tight, we'll learn and grow. With every step, the more you'll know. Are you ready? Let's go! Today, we'll be reviewing Lesson 13, Present Simple Yes or No Questions. Remember, when we ask a question, we need to answer with yes, comma, 또는 no, comma. For example, do you swim? 수영해? We would say yes, comma, I do. Or no, comma, I don't. When we have the pronouns I, you, we, or they, we need to use the question do. When we answer our questions, we say yes, I do, yes, we do, yes, you do, yes, they do. 또는 no, I don't, no, you don't, no, we don't, no, they don't. For third person singular, she, he, 또는 it, we use does. Does she 뭐뭐? Does he 뭐뭐? Does it 뭐뭐? 똑같이 대답할 때도 we need to use does. Yes, she does. Yes, he does. Yes, it does. 또는 doesn't. No, he, no, she doesn't. No, he doesn't. No, it doesn't. Are you ready to get started with your homework? Let's go! On page 40, the directions say to look, circle, and write. In number 1, it says, do 또는 does she do the dishes? she라서 which one do we use? Do or does? Good! Third person singular, she니까 does 사용해야 돼요. Does she do the dishes? 설거지 하나? No, she, no니까 does plus not contraction, doesn't. No, she doesn't. Number 2, do or does she listen to music? she니까 does 사용해서 yes, she does. Number 3, do 또는 does they play games? they는 third person singular는 아니라서 do 사용할게. Do they play games? Yes, they do. Do or does? Do or does they study Chinese? 영어잖아. No, they do plus not contraction? Don't. Very nice. Please check your answers and we'll go to the next page. On page 41, the directions say to look, read, and write. Remember, for I, you, we, and they, we need to use do. 또는 don't. For third person singular, like she, he, and it, we need to use does 또는 doesn't. Number 1, our verb is eat. They dinner at home? They. 그러면 do 사용해야 돼요? 아니면 does? Good. Do they eat dinner at home? Yes, they do. Number 2, play. He, the piano? No, he, he라서 we need to use does. Does he play the piano? No, he does plus not contraction, doesn't. Number 3, she, a cat? Yes, she, she라서 does she have a cat? Yes, she does. And number 4, she, French? No, she, Does she speak French? 영어로 말하잖아. Try this. No, she doesn't. Number 5, he, coffee? Yes, he, he라서 does he drink coffee? Yes, he does. And number 6. They the bus to school? Yes, they They라서 we need to use do. Do they take the bus to school? Yes, they do. In part 3, we need to read and write the question form. Mike has many friends. 친구가 많아. 근데 우리 물어볼 때는 do or does 사용하고 물어봐야 돼. Does Mike have many friends? Number 2, they have bikes. They라서 we need to use do. Do they have bikes? Number 3, you like hot chocolate. You라서 do 사용할게요. Do you like hot chocolate? Number 4, Ken plays the violin. 오, Ken, he니까 does Ken play the violin? 우리 동사는 원래대로. 여기도 원래대로잖아. Number 5, Amy lives in an apartment. Amy는 she라서 does Amy, 동사는 그대로. Does Amy live in an apartment? Very nice. Please check your answers and we'll go to the last page. On page 42, we need to review lessons 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. We need to look and write the correct form of the verb. Number 1, they the violin. They play the piano. 아, violin을 안 치고 피아노를 친대. 그러면 negative 필요해. They do 사용해야죠. 근데 negative이라서 do plus not. They don't play the violin. Number 2, he homework every day. He니까 we need to use does. Number 3, she her face in the morning. she라서 wash에서 es 붙이면 되죠? She washes her face in the morning. Number 4. Ooh, this is a question. We need to use do or does. You English? Yes, I You라서 do 사용할게요. Do you study English? Yes, I do. Number 5. He early? Yes, he he라서 do 사용하지 않고 does 사용할게요. Does he get up early? Yes, he does. Number 6. They milk? No, they They는 does 사용하지 않고 do 사용하잖아. Do they drink milk? No, they do plus not contraction. Don't. Very nice. In part 2, we need to look, read, and circle. Number 1. There aren't books on the table. Aren't is negative. 우리 negative 있을 때 또는 질문 do we use some or any? Good. Any. There aren't any books on the table. Number 2. Look at boy. He has a funny hat. 우리가 보고 있는 boy가 있잖아. 그냥 전체적으로 얘기하는 boy가 아니라. Look at the boy. Number 3. The house big? Yes, it We are asking if it is big. is 사용할 거예요. Is the house big? Yes, it is. Number 4. My brother is than I am. 오, brother랑 나랑 비교하고 있네. 그러면 taller, er 사용해야죠. Number 5. What is it? It's We need to use non-count. 근데 non-count 때는 어랑 on 사용하면 안 되니까 we need to use milk. Number 6. I think books are than movies. 비교하고 있네. 책들이랑 영화. Interesting. 4 syllables, so we need to use more interesting. Please check your answers and stay for our review game. Ready to play? We're reviewing our present simple yes or no questions. We need to use do or don't 또는 does or doesn't. Let's start with number 8. Jennifer Aniston acting? Do Jennifer Aniston enjoy acting? Do Jennifer Aniston enjoys acting? Does Jennifer Aniston enjoy acting? Does Jennifer Aniston enjoys acting? 일단은 Jennifer Aniston은 she잖아. So do we use do or does? Does 사용해야 돼. 그리고 동사는 그대로. Does Jennifer Aniston enjoy acting? Great job. Number 1. Pharrell, the happy song. Pharrell는 이 남자의 이름이라서 he라고 생각하고 does 사용해야죠. does 사용해서 동사는 그대로. Does Pharrell sing the happy song? Because I'm happy, clap along if you... Number 6. They closed. They는 she, he, it가 아니라서 we need to use do. Do buys, do buy or do buys. Remember 동사는 그대로니까 do they buy clothes? Number 4. Do Pfeffy in Aliens? Pfeffy is a name, so we will use does. 동사는 그대로 Does Pfeffy believe in aliens? Number 7. All actors, well, all actors. They라고 생각하면 돼. She, he, it가 아니라서 we need to use do. Do 찾아서 동사는 그대로 Do all actors act well? Good job. Number 2. We to study for the test. we는 she, he, it가 아니니까 do. 동사는 그대로 Do we need to study for the test? 당연하지. Number 5. Laura, her classmates. Laura is a girl. she라서 does. 동사 그대로 Does Laura help her classmates? Number 3. Brad Pitt, chocolate. Brad Pitt is a boy, so we say he. Does 사용해서 동사는 그대로 Does Brad Pitt love chocolate? And our last question. we라서 we need to use do. Do we have enough time? Yes, we do. Great job! 135 points! You did an awesome job today. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the great work. You know what to do. I hope you'll miss me and be ready to play. Koala Teacher will see you in the next video, okay?